Well, hello and welcome to the last half hour of The Full View. I'm Criselda Lewis. A reminder, you can send us your comments to #FullView. You can also view any of our interviews and features by going to sabcnews.com. You can also find us on Facebook and on Twitter. Let's start now with your headlines.
I'm saying we should not be fearful and think that we are in a recession. We are not. This is going to be corrected.
ANC President Cyril Ramaphosa urges South Africans to remain optimistic despite the technical recession. And towns in the Northern Cape covered in snow for the first time in nearly 40 years. 2 Eastern Cape mountain passes remain closed. And firefighters who were on the scene of the Johannesburg fire that claimed the lives of 3 of their colleagues speak to the SABC. And not a good sporting day for South Africa. Bafana draws to Libya, and earlier today the Boks lost away to the Wallabies.